In this video, we'll look at the project map as a way to explore some of the patterns and connections in our project. Now that I've done quite a bit of coding in my project, I'd like to explore the connection between two of my nodes, one that looks at community change and the other at the sense of community down east. From the Explore tab, I'm going to click on Project Map to create a new project map. I'm going to call it Thinking About the Community and then click OK. Once the new project map opens, a project map tools becomes available. From here, I'll click Add Project Items and select those two nodes. First of all, Community Change, and next, Sense of Community Down East. Clicking OK will add them to my map. Now, on the left-hand side of my map, I can expand the tab to add associated items. The tab refreshes with the project items associated with the item or items currently selected in my map. In this example, files coded, cases coded, sets, relationships and children all become available. If I expand cases here and then people, I can see my interview participants. I can hold down the Shift key to select all of the cases that have been coded to at least one of these two nodes. I need to continue to hold the Shift key as I drag onto the map in order to include all of those cases. Now I'm able to see which cases have been coded at each of these nodes, but it's a little difficult to see the pattern here, so I'll try a different layout by going to the layout area on the project map ribbon. The directed map doesn't help much here, but I'll try again with the hierarchical layout. And now I can begin to see this quite clearly. I can move items around in the map if I wish to tidy this up a little. While nearly everyone interviewed discusses community change, very few have been coded at sense of community. Now I'm curious, is there something different about those who discuss a sense of community? Maybe they're among the people who've been down east the longest. I can test this hunch in the project map. Much like the Explore diagram we used in the Fundamentals course, we're able to select different items to gather more associated data. As I'm interested in those who talk about a sense of community, I'm going to move those four cases so they are in a line together. I'm now going to select the others and right-click to delete them from my map. I'll now select the four cases that are coded under Sense of Community Down East, and now click Show Associated Items to refresh the Associated Data tab. Under Attributes, I'm able to access the values for generations down east. I can open this up, and once again, by holding the Shift key, I can bring these all into my map. Again, I'll need to move around the items to more clearly see the map elements. It quickly emerges that my hunch was incorrect. There appears to be some appreciation for the sense of community across all of the groups. As always in NVivo, I can click on an item to open it. By double-clicking on the Sense of Community Down East node, I can view the coded references as I continue my thinking about community down east. Unlike the mind map, in the project map we can't change the colour or style of these items. They're fixed to help us recognise the type of item. But I can remove the connector labels by unchecking this box on the project map ribbon. If I've created a map that will help me convey my finding to others or further my own thinking, I can right-click to export the map to an image file, or I can select and copy and paste to a memo, document or presentation. Now it's time for you to explore your own project with a project map.